Well, fully with this toolie, baby. What's your favorite history fact?
My favorite history fact is the fact that they tried making a literal gay bomb
Oh yeah, they try to
by
weaponize the gay.
the hormones inside of the inside of a bomb to make people in trenches start just fucking.
Fucking. And I'm like, thinking about it, would that really have affected them in a negative way? That probably relieved so much stress for them.
That would relieve stress, and they would die for their brother in a show.
This is for you, puppy.
This, that's like some Trojan shit, bro. This is what the Trojans did.
Yeah, bro, the craziest gay sex.